I went to experience Japanese tea ceremony in Tokyo. Although I am Japanese, this was almost my first time. This instructor showed us how to do it. The green tea you drink regularly and the green tea you use at tea ceremony are made from same kind of tea trees but grown differently. The green tea you drink regularly is grown under the sunshine. You drink brewing it. What you drink is not tea leaves but brewed liquid. The green tea you use at tea ceremony is grown shielding the sunshine for 1 month. In this way, the green color of tea leaves gets darker and tastes better. This is the original tea leaves which you use at tea ceremony. It is grinded in a stone mill and becomes matcha, powdered green tea. What you drink is tea leaves themselves. Before grinding, this stone mill looks like this. Put on a handle and rotate counterclockwise. Do not rotate fast. Tea's fragrance, taste and color will decrease. Gradually, matcha powder come out. Tea leaves became powder. This is tea whisk. It is used to mix matcha with hot water. It is made from bamboo. This is tea scoop. It is also made from bamboo. This is bowl. If your bowl has pictorial pattern, place that pattern to face you. This is boiled water cooler. This is container for matcha, powdered green tea. The matcha we use is from Uji, Kyoto. Put 1½ spoonful of matcha. Put the hot water in a bowl. Hold the tea whisk with 3 fingers, thumb, index finger and middle finger. Put the tea whisk to the bottom of the bowl and turn it around lightly. Move the tea whisk quickly in the shape like letter W. This is a sample of well-mixed tea. Next is how to drink tea. Put your bowl on your palm with one hand and hold lightly from side with the other hand. Bow once. Rotate the bowl clockwise twice. Drink tea in 3 to 4 sips. Lastly, make noise to sip up the bubbled tea left in your bowl. Making noise means to express this tea was good. Wipe off the tea on your bowl with your finger. Clean your finger with the paper which was used to place the dried sweets. Lastly, rotate your bowl counterclockwise twice. Honestly speaking, it was very hard for me to make this video. Because I knew very little about tea ceremony, I needed to listen what the instructor said over and over watching the video I took. It was surprising to me that you are supposed to make noise when you finish drinking. In everyday life, making noise when you drink any beverage considered to be rude. Wiping off the left tea with your finger was also very surprising. Even for a Japanese like me who was born and grew up in Japan, it was a good opportunity to get to know traditional Japanese culture. All the instruction was held in Japanese. When I attended, all other guests were Japanese. So I guess this place is only for people who can speak Japanese. I hope you could get the glimpse of what the tea ceremony is like by watching this video. Thank you for watching.